Hi, this is Summer.
This is Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. Last time we introduced about the chocolate country refiner.
Yeah.
So this time, can you give us a brief introduction about our chocolate storage tank?
Yes, of course. We usually the chocolate material after grind in the country refiner, we usually transfer it to the chocolate holding tank. We have 7 standard models of the chocolate holding tank: 30 liter, 100, 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 liter.
Wow, 30 liters chocolate storage tank. It's very small. Why we make use this small model?
Because we have the client like the small handmade chocolate factory and the laboratory usually use this small capacity holding tank, and these two with the wheels, so it can easy to move. For the 500 liter holding tank and above, usually used in medium and large chocolate factories.
Okay, I understand. And for example, some customers want bigger size or some special shape. They have personal requirements on the head or on the diameter of the storage tank. So can we customize the dimension according to customers' requirements?
Yes, of course. We can make any size the clients want, so we can make the capacity according to their requirements.
Okay, that's great. Jessica, I found these tanks are made by 304 stainless steel. So all of our tanks are made by 304 stainless steel?
No, we usually use the carbon steel, but some clients want the stainless steel, for example, 304 and 316. So we can make the after according the client's requirements. And I will show you the carbon steels outwear.
Okay, thank you.
You can see this is 1,000 liter holding tank. The outside is carbon steel.
Okay,
And,
I see, yeah.
But in of the holding tank, we all use the food grade stainless steel.
So for all the chocolate storage tanks inside raw materials is 304 stainless steel.
Yes.
But outside raw material for optional, right? It can be 304 stainless steel and carbon steel.
Yes, it
Okay.
all depends on the client's choice.
Okay, that's great. And what's the function of this stirrer inside?
It can, we can turn it on here.
Oh. So this is the switch on and off to make the stirrer working, so it can remove the moisture inside the chocolate mass.
Yes,
right?
so the chocolate will more evenly in the inside of the holding tank.
Okay, great. And I know chocolate should be keep warm, right?
Yeah.
So how does this tank to keep the chocolate warm? I mean, in stable temperature.
We can see the electrical heat in the bottom of the holding tank, and we can turn on the switch to control the temperature of the water, because the holding tank is double jacket. We will fill water inside, and by control the water heating to heat the water can heat the temperature of the chocolate.
Oh, it's great. I understand. And I noticed the motor are Chinese local brand.
Yes, it's mainly for the domestic market, but some European clients, they also want some other brands like Siemens and Schneider. We also can make according their requirements.
Okay, so you mean we can use European version motor or electrical components for our foreigner customers?
Yes.
Okay, understand. I have no question now.
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.